The problem that now I have 4 PKs and it's like risk. The land I don't like. If you want cancel songs, give them and let's go again.
We will do the disco.
Do
Just
the disco?
1 sec to cancel those.
Maybe I can try put the Povito one destro now. So he will be slowly the one.
Wait. We'll do it on.
You can
after
put,
the disco.
if they are with Cove, you can't do nothing.
Yeah.
They have cough, I think.
Yes.
Oh. Alright.
Show up with Ritva and bring it to me here. You know.
Go.
Mm-hmm.
He's log out.
He want to get PK'd. Hey!
Flag. Press.
Coming.
No
Stand
more.
up.
Ella, get the fuck out from here. You two. And you two. Where is the next? Let him to hit me. Okay, I give you the... go sleep, man.
One more Palma.
And now we still the drops.
Yes, thank you for the drops. We will take it. Oh, nobody can take it.
You touch my tra-la-la. Ding ding dong.
There. Come to me, come.
Come to me, the
Hold on with songs. I'm gonna cancel dances.
How much karma you have?